You know, so it's we want to operate like if it was 1950, where you had to go to the corner drugstore and buy your stuff. Like we forcefully want people to do that, but it's not necessary anymore.
No.
You know, I mean, people want to do that. You can go take a walk and get your exercise and do that. That's fine. But that should be the incentive.
Yeah.
You know, it shouldn't be that you have to come here because.
Yeah, for me, it's like really frustrating because I'm like, I need this thing right now. But I know if I go to the store, I'll just walk around the store in circles and I won't find the thing. I'll find everything else, but I won't find the thing that I need. Or I have to settle with something that maybe is similar, that might be able to work, you know, and then I don't want to go and return it again.
Or worse, you'll buy stuff and then find out when you get home that you forgot the thing you were meant to go get.
Yes.
Right?
So that model, at least for me, right, it doesn't work. I like look at my wife and I'm like, you're just going across town all day, like hours for hours. If you add it at the end of the week, you know, just returning stuff and getting stuff. And I'm like, I don't know. I'm like, I appreciate my time. I value my time. I am older than her, so I'm like, hey, you know, the end is coming. I got less time than you, so I don't want to waste it right around town buying stupid things.
But it's funny because that kind of hits the heart of the issue, is that the reason why people still want to do that is because there's some kind of experience still there, right?
Yeah.
In other words, it's not that they don't know that they're wasting time, you know, commuting, and that they could just, you know, do Prime and then just free delivery for the whole year.
Yeah.
Like they know that, like on a conscious level, they're aware, it makes sense, but they're getting a different benefit by traveling,
like getting out of the house.
Yeah, so it becomes an experience, and that's, I think, where a lot of the businesses that are struggling, that's where they're having the problem, is that they're having a problem with connecting the intangible part of that experience with their brand, you know, and that's essentially why I like to do, you know, consulting with the brands, is because it's those intangibles that you find out what they are, and then you tie them together, and you're like, okay, well, I provide that experience in this new way.